The U.S. military has targeted Venezuela. They have captured President Maduro and his wife. What it means for the stock market and what's going to happen Monday. Hey guys, this is Hamza. I was on vacation, I was traveling, but I wanted to come out do this video for you because this news, it can move billions of dollars when the market opens on Monday. Now, the news that is coming out is that U.S. Has taken over. They have carried out this operation in Venezuela, and they've taken over. They're saying that we have taken over Venezuela. We're going to be controlling Venezuela until some better solution or better circumstances have been achieved, right? So the markets. Right now, the crypto market, we're just watching, which is already very volatile, but all this happened over the weekend, so markets are not open, right? But on Monday, markets are going to open, and this news, it can move the market, and because volatility, it can spike fast. Whenever there are geopolitical shocks, the VIX always jumps up, right? And then there are oil prices that react immediately. Guys, Venezuela has over 300 billion barrels of oil reserves, right? These tensions, they can affect the oil pricing, they can affect the stock market, they can affect the precious metals. Energy stocks, usually they tend to move up when something like this happens. Airlines feel the pressure because obviously the fuel prices are gonna fluctuate. Right now, it's just that we don't know. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market. We don't know what's going to happen on Monday. We don't know how the market is going to react. Usually, a lot of money goes into gold and other precious metals when something like this happens. When there's uncertainty, people rush towards these assets. Defense stocks get attention whenever there are wars, right? Defense stocks, they just start jumping up. So your stocks like Palantir, BBAI, all these stocks, they can go up. But uncertainty, the market doesn't like uncertainty, right? So there can be the markets can gap up, they can gap down, depending on what happens in the next few hours. As of recording right now, this is Sunday morning around 5:30 a.m. Pacific time. That's when I'm recording it. Once the video goes out, maybe it's in a few hours, you guys will watch it. The markets, they move on fear and headlines. If there's one thing that markets hate is uncertainty, right? So whenever the geopolitical situation, it heats up, there's volatility. There's going to be fast winners, fast losers. We got to watch the risk, and at these times, we got to be very cautious. For people, who are long-term investors, sometimes there's a lot of big opportunities. Like when the Ukraine war thing started, everything was down. Bitcoin crashed to almost $16,000. That was a couple of years ago. So I just wanted to come out, do this this quick update for y'all, just so you guys are aware of what's going on and how it can impact your stocks, your crypto. And I'm just hoping, we got to stay strong, and I'm hoping that, peace prevails, sanity prevails, there's no bloodshed, everything is resolved peacefully, because obviously, we don't want another war, we don't want more bloodshed, we don't want these kind of things, and we don't want uncertainty, right? We just want peace. And guys, thanks for watching, thanks for your support. Make sure to like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time.